back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So right now I'm about to do a spicy seafood mukbang. Yeah, mukbang, right? Yeah. So guys, I bought some curry crab and some spicy curry crab at that, and some spicy shrimp. A long time I didn't eat crabs, guys. Long time. So I'm really excited for this. Let me show you guys what I have. Yeah guys, and if you hear anything in the background, that's my fan. Remember, I live in a hot country, so I have to have the fan rolling. Alright, so right here I have the spicy shrimps. These are some really big shrimps, guys. Look at this guy. Look at this one. It's a fat one. I wanna claw pop off. I got 3 in the bag, and they're spicy. You can look at this. That's a pepper seed right there. You see that? That's a scotch bonnet seed right there. And here's another one. So I have 3 of those, and I got this little guy here, but this one is not the curry one. This one is a regular one. See the pepper on his claw? I can't wait, guys. I cannot wait. My mouth is watering just looking at this. And look at what I have in here. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a closer look at the curry crab. So this is how I got it in the bag. Look at that. That's all curry crab, guys. And what they did, they already cut it up for me. I still need to crack it up to get the meat out, but that's how it's looking. See, they gave me some legs. Lady could have put a little bit more in the bag, you know. She's so mean with the crab. Yes guys, so all of that is curry crab, and in the other bag it's the same. Same. See all of that spice? In here is the juicy part where you're getting all the meat, guys. And I have another part here. Some legs, claw, and all of that. And for the other guy over there, and I have my drink. I have to have my drink. Alright guys, I'm nervous. This thing took up a man. Hey, I put one little bit on my tongue a while ago. I may tell you, my lips start get red. You can see it? My lip literally start getting red. Guys, this is nothing to play with. Jamaican scotch man. Nothing to mess with, may I tell you. My heart starts sweating already on the fan on. Alright, so I want to try this part. So we're going to try this part. Pepper. There's a whole lot of meat on the inside. It's really good. It's really good, but it's very spicy. So you see, if you are a person you can't manage spice, nobody take up it from your head. You hear? You don't take up it from your head. No guys, this pepper bad. Just a bit cracky. Meat is inside. Yes guys, I had more clip, but sadly when I was editing yesterday, I accidentally clicked on it and deleted it. I was so sad and I never got to post this yesterday. This video is late, so if you made it this far in my video, thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll catch you again in my next video. Bye.